Welcome back to Crypto and Craft Beer. Today we're going to be talking about BLOKTOPIA. BLOKTOPIA is doing what everything else is doing right now. It's selling off. Of course, right now is a time of uncertainty because of the markets. The stock market, everything is going on right now. I don't know too much about the stock market or what controls it, but obviously all I need to know is controlled by wells and government. It's controlled by wells and government. Kind of just to go on to something else, like people are talking about Tether and how they are printing, pretty much minting Tether out of thin air. And don't that remind you of somebody? It reminds you of the U.S. government, how they can mint dollars out of thin air like last year. But we're talking about BLOK. BLOK is a great symbolism of the future and what the metaverse and NFTs and different things will provide. So we're talking about BLOK, and we're going to be talking about the price action of BLOK. If you look, BLOK is still really bullish. It's trading sideways at this point in time, but it's still really bullish. And I would definitely bet on BLOK in the long term. The short term, everybody's looking at the same situation. Everybody's down double digits. BLOK is just down a little bit more because they ran all the way up when everybody else was, coming down, starting to come down. So everything that, everybody that bought in right here, which was me. No, I think I bought in around 9 cents, and then I rode it all the way up. I kind of knew what was going to happen up here. I got out. I actually got out on a fraud scam buy true spike. Buy true spiked it up to like 15 cents at one point in time, and it hit my limit order or my sell order, and I was able to get out, and the price was never even past 11 cents. So buy true does that, I believe, to get people to buy in and FOMO in, and then they correct the price, and there's nothing you can do about it besides take the 40% reduction in whatever you put in. So BLOKTOPIA, if you can tell by these wicks, we are on a daily chart. These wicks are very important to show that there is buying pressure down here at these lower prices at the 618. Looks like at the lowest we touched during that sell-off on the 4th was 7 cents. No, excuse me. The sell-off was, it was on the 4th. So that sell-off started a cascading of selling off. So we touched 8 cents all the way from almost 11 cents. So we go down 3 cents, and then from there we've just been going down. But look, we have support from in the past, and now we're finding support again in the future, or currently. But in the future, like I said, I do see BLOK trading sideways up and down in this channel for a while, and I wouldn't call this at 3 cents. I'm not even going to call it like that. This wick here is kind of reminding me of this wick here. I think it's going to, hopefully we get some pump. We still have 3 hours left in the day. We might make a better wick here, but like I said, I think down here around 6 cents is going to be the demand, and we're not going to let it go below that. So if you're going to be looking for entry level, I would be looking at anywhere from 5 cents. I would say anywhere from 5 cents to 8 cents. Anywhere between there, you're still looking at next year around 24 cents to, I would say, 35 cents. I'm not going to sit up here and give all these unreasonable, unconservative claims that, altcoin season's coming and all that crazy shit. But we right now, this is definitely a shakeout. What this is more about is leverage, stop losses, margin. That's what this is about. And if you are involved with those type of things, you have been crushed on the 4th. You are getting closer to your liquidation price today. So that's the type of things you have to watch out. If you look, and I don't mean to bring up these other charts, if you look at these crypto charts, daily crypto charts, look at the fucking volatility. Look at the fucking volatility. They spike it up and they send it down. And who do you think this is hurting? This right here. It's not hurting the corporations. They're already used to stock returns that are slow as fuck. So now that they're getting into it, they can wait. They can wait a year and a half while the prices are down. But we're not here for that. We're here to invest, and we're here to see a nice return, especially new people that come into the market. So pay attention to BLOK. Hopefully we do see a bounce. I'm expecting to bounce up to at least 11 cents soon, and then probably do some retracing already all the way back down to 8 cents before we start to see a real launch pad up. So If you can accumulate now, I would try to, but there is a chance for it to go lower, especially if Bitcoin jumps down to 35,000 for max pain. I've always talked about max pain in my videos. Max pain is really liquidation type of shit. Like, if you look at Bitcoin, this is max pain. This shit right here. We spiked all the way down to 42,000 to be exact, from our high of 69. So 69,420. They fucking us, literally. 69,420 on the dot. So right now, this price action on Bitcoin looks very bad. It looks very unstable. There's no big candle coming up to show, hey, yeah, we're good. There's nothing. Yeah, we came all the way back from here, from that bottom, which is good. We haven't just started dropping down. But we had to pump up out of this, or Bitcoin needs to at least lose dominance for us to see our altcoins rise again, like parabolically. You know, we have to see another altcoin season, but right now it's obviously not altcoin season. Bitcoin's not even chopped down like our altcoins are. Let's go out for Bitcoin. Bitcoin's still up. Our altcoins are down here at 19 and 20, 12,000. You look at our altcoins, that's actually BLOK looks like Bitcoin. You guys are doing good. I mean, its holding structure is down, but it was rising when Bitcoin was, struggling, and now it's falling down like everything else. This is really profit taking, or whale games, where they're taking profits and they're making sure that they have the cheaper prices when you guys sell. Okay? Like, subscribe, and share. Cheers.